financial regulators. We don't regulate any stealing of people's property. We damn corrupt too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be in the city of London, Wall Street Club, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep. Regulators, do something. It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Bankers were on Wall Street, trying to consume some debt for the eve, to make more subprime loans, rather than in fraud, doing God's work on the thrones. Hit the east side of corrupt Wall Street, on the mission to find Mr. Jamie D. See, JPM full of debt about the free. Asymmetric hedges and derivatives starting to creep. I hooks up in order for Bitcoin ASIC. Some brothers mining Bitcoin, so I said let's do this. Network speed has jumped, had a hash rate is going up. Security is skyrocketing, bankers out of luck. Krugman and Munger, see their rhetoric is just absurd. These uncivilized idiots, they gonna hit the curb. Won't you think of better things than some Canesian mind trick? Just bought some pet rocks and stick it to these geatrics. I'm getting financially raped, they're breaking myself. I can't believe that they're taking our wealth. They took down my gold, they took down my silver necks. I looked at the banker, I said I got no head. The bankers got Europe hemmed up, and they all around. None like they Goldman Sachs, techno crack, stealing pound for pound. I got a bank run real quick before they start to clown. Best put it in Bitcoin and lay them bankers down. They got financial weapons to my head, I think I'm going down. Can't believe that this is happening in my own town. If I had Bitcoin, I could fly and try to contemplate a future without fraud and financial rape. 16 trillion in debt and one in the vote. Fractional reserve banking is about to make the markets turn cold. The market's dropping, cream is yelling, but it's just too late. Bitcoin and blockchain have to regulate. Lay all my feet, get down and watch the Bitcoin price explode. Now I'm switching my money on the Bitcoin notes. Get on the blockchain, sit back and reserve. Get the corrupt bankers jumping on to the curve. Congress got the freaks, and that's a known fact. Another corporate takeover, they trying to fast track. Back up, cause it's on NDAA and TPP are clearly unconstitutionally wrong. Just like I thought the bankers were in real shit, in need of some desperate help. Bush and his administration, they were in some need of some campaign wealth. A lot of them banks were as big as hell. Hank said, ooh, I like your size. They said, yeah, we're too big to fail. And you seem real nice, would you like to bail us out? Now we got banks full of TARP, and it ain't going so well. The next stop for the taxpayers is austerity hell. Markets into a whole new era. G-Funk invest in this, now I dare ya. Manipulation on a whole new level. High frequency trading is the market, and the market is in peril. QEPOMO, we bring TARP, LTRO, where debt is the money and the money is the debt. If you know the markets like I know, then you don't want to partake in this. It's the Ben Bernanke era, and he's messing around with Operation Twist. If you smoke like yelling smokes, and you're high on opium every day, all I can say is get your ass into gold, silver, Bitcoin, and expect QE to infinity.